KZN ake sikubhekele ukuthi kwenzakalani emgaqweni this morning mawukuthi-ke you are making your way towards PMB kunama-roadworks enzakalayo between uShongweni Interchange and Hammersdale. As you notice ukuthi umgwaqo uyakhiwa ku-N2, so make sure that you drive safe or uphume early endlini ukuze ukwazi ukuthi-ke ungakwazi ukubambezeleka-ke kuleso siminyaminya. Crash on N3 southbound emva nje kuka-Cliffdale Road. Right lane rather is closed, expect ama-delays makuthi uzodlula ngalapho. As you know ukuthi kuzobe kunabo stop and go if one lane is working. Congestion on N2 northbound musuka laphana-ke kwaMashu uya eMhlanga, especially ama-delays ngenxa yaleso siminyaminya. Kanti-ke mabe siqhubeka sisekhona khona la eMhlanga, do you remember on our previous update sikukhumbuza or rather sikutshela ukuthi there is ingozi eyenzakalile enkulu laphana-ke kuMhlanga interchange seyiclearishekile-ke, but makuthi uzodlula ngakhona make sure ukuthi you drive carefully because kuleya interchange makuthi you careless iyakwazi ukuthi-ke ibe nabo-ke ubungozi. Makuthi khona ufuna uspika ngakho, makuthi akabi nayo iGagasi FM app, download iGagasi FM app, register and then go to studio messages and leave the message, or also you can just follow us on X at GFM Traffic. I'll be back with more traffic in 15 minutes. For Gagasi FM Traffic, I am DJ Worldwide.